Hello Click Designers! So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a new feature in our ClickDesigns user interface or CDUI. So after you've logged into your ClickDesigns account, all you have to do is go on over to Templates. And on Templates is where you will be seeing the new feature of the user interface. So simply just choose any category that you want to start off with. So let's try a book cover. And when you click on that and you scroll down, not only will you be able to view different types of graphic templates under covers, but you will also always be given an option to start from scratch. So let's say that we want to start from scratch. So I will hover my mouse over there and click on that. And when you click on Start from Scratch is where you can see the new feature. So aside from the fact that you can create a name for your design, there are also different icons here that showcase what type of design you want to create from scratch. So even though we are under covers right now and you can see that covers is currently selected, you still have an option to change the design type. So let's say I no longer want to make a cover from scratch. I want to make a logo from scratch. So as you can see, it shows different icons for the different categories. So this is a new feature in the CD user interface because the old user interface actually didn't have these icons. So it's much easier to browse through and choose what specific design type you want to start from scratch. So that is it for this update video. Thank you so much, and I hope that this was helpful.